This little kitten wanted to jump out of its nest, but its short legs kept holding it back. It lay on the wooden rail, and from its eyes, you could see how much it wanted to get out, but it was simply too small. The owner didn't just pick it up right away, but instead taught it how to get out on its own. With the owner's help, the kitten finally managed to come out. To test if the kitten could do it completely by itself, the owner put it back again. Surprisingly, the kitten was very smart. After the first experience, it jumped out all on its own. Seeing how clever it was, the owner gave it a bowl of milk. At first, the kitten had no idea how to drink, so the owner gently pushed its head toward the bowl to let it taste the milk. Instantly, the kitten figured it out and started drinking. Sadly, despite being such a smart kitten, it only got 2 subscribers.